Someone please explain me that if I'm getting good marks and I am clearing my papers, clearing all my dues on time, why on earth is ACCA not funding for me, like, for my exams or something? Why is there no provision of such kind, which many colleges out there have? My answer is yes, you are right. There is an ACCA provision of such kind where you will be able to get scholarships based on your percentages, based on the criteria that is mentioned here. So if you have got in applied skills, at least one paper in applied skills and corporate and law, business law, in these two papers, if you have got like around 80% each, then you will be eligible for this. And if you have got exemption for these papers, then any two or more of the skill level papers out there, if you have got 66% in each of them, then you are eligible for this program. You can apply for this program. So let me break it down in detail. What exactly does it cover? So there's a lot of confusion around this. So first of all, it will cover your as a student, your annual subscription fees that will be applicable. Secondly, the student exam fees for the next 5 years. Okay, so whatever exams are left, whatever tuition fees, whatever learning provider fees, whatever is applicable, it will cover that. Then when you become an affiliate, your subscription fees, yearly subscription, that will be applicable. And finally, if after that, it's within the 5-year range, okay, if all of this is happening, your 3 years experience is done and you become a member, there is a member admission fees. Okay, so that will be covered, not the member subscription fees. For member subscription fees, there is something else, the assistance fees, which I will cover now. So next is the assistance category that is provided to members only, not to affiliate or students. We need to understand this first. And second thing, it is for those people whose employers are not paying the subscription fees, yearly subscription fees, because some employers do that. And at the same time, they are earning less than 16,500 GB per year. You can check for how much your subscription fee will reduce and all, depending on the country that you're registered your ACCA for, and this is the way to do it. And at the same time, also comment link for you to be able to get the exact link for starting your application.